The talks about Samsung's next S flagship lineup have begun on the web, hinting at the upgrades that the successor of the Galaxy S24 series will bring. However, some leaks and rumors suggest that Samsung is gearing up to bring big shifts with the Galaxy S25 series. Some information has surfaced thus far, despite the fact it's still very early. Some changes are expected. We'll likely see quite a few changes compared to last year. Having said that, let's get to it. A well-known tipster on Twitter hints that the base model of Galaxy S25 will feature a new design plus the biggest display and biggest battery ever. Besides this, the leakster didn't reveal any specific details, but it is expected to be a tremendous upgrade as compared to the previous model. According to a new rumor, the Samsung Galaxy S25 will arrive with a different design and a larger display. This information comes from U112. The information was relayed by Revegnus. Samsung is expected to increase the size of the Galaxy S25 display, providing users a more immersive and prominent visual experience. As per the details, the standard Galaxy S25 will feature a slightly larger 6.36-inch OLED display as compared to the Galaxy S24 base model, which equips a 6.2-inch panel. Is the increase in smartphone model size a common trend for all brands? Even the base model of the Apple iPhone 16 Pro is increasing to 6.3 inches, and the base model size of the Xiaomi 15 in China is also increasing. Aside from the Galaxy S25 potentially getting a larger display, the rest of the design should be a familiar one, meaning that both the S25 and S25 Plus should be rocking the same armor aluminum frame, while the titanium frame should still be exclusive to the S25 Ultra. But there's still plenty of time for things to change as new leaks come around. A small but crucial amount of text on Twitter was posted by someone carrying the username Crow, who states that the Galaxy S25 CAD drawings are underway. However, currently, there are no details available about the battery upgrade, but we can expect to receive more information in the coming weeks. Samsung's ambitions could be even higher, at least if we believe a wild rumor that claims that the company is planning to use only Exynos chips in the Galaxy S25 series. This rumor also claims that Samsung will use Snapdragon chips only in the Galaxy Z series in 2025, while the Galaxy A series phones to be released that year will consist of Exynos and MediaTek chips. Unless the Exynos 2500 is similar to or better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in every possible way, we think Samsung might not move ahead exclusively with Exynos chips next year. So take this rumor with a pound of salt. It's safe to assume that the Galaxy S25 series will launch in Q1 of 2025. We expect them to arrive in January, around the same time as the Galaxy S24 series did this year. Stay tuned for the latest updates, and until next time, take care.